seem so easy to you. Just wanna know what you're thinking. Nothing comes easy when it comes to you. You said you wanted to know me, but did you even try? All you do is find new ways to hurt me. You just wanna act like it's fine, but it's not alright. You just act like it's fine. Oh no, it's not alright. It's not alright. Remember all those good times? Was it all just a scene? Now all we do is put out the fires. It's not how we used to be. I can sit here and talk about the memories, but I guess that's not what you wanna do. So I just wanna know what you're thinking, 'cause nothing comes easy when it comes to you. You said you wanted to know me, but did you even try? 'Cause all you do is find new ways to hurt me, when you just wanna act like it's fine, but it's not alright. It's not alright. When did we make it so cold? The air is too thick to breathe. You remember all those good times? Was it all just a scene? You said you wanted to know me, but did you even try? 'Cause all you do is find new ways to hurt me, when you just wanna act like it's fine, but it's not alright. It's not alright. No, it's not alright.
Well, we're just parked for the night here in Pierceland, Saskatchewan. We just picked up our trailer. They're not open, so I gotta wait till morning to grab the paperwork, but we're tired for the day, right? It's been 12 hours, so we're good. We're making this beef bacon, and let's check on our sausage patties. Oh yeah, they look good. Let's give them a few more minutes, get them a little crispier. So yeah, they're Mundair sausage patties. You can kind of see it through there. And they're delicious. It's a local sausage place in Alberta here, really close to Edmonton. Good, I guess it'd be Ukrainian, but yeah. And this beef bacon I got from the little market in Edmonton there on the weekend when I was home. So, of course, hockey time. We got the game going. So yeah, it should be a good, nice little meal here. Never had beef bacon. If you've ever had it, let me know. If you've never had it, I'll let you know. I mean, they say it's supposed to be good. It said it was smoked brisket sliced or whatever on the package, so maybe that's all it is brisket, and I love brisket. So I use this real salt hickory small batch. Added in my little spice rack here for a little while. I haven't used it a whole lot, so I figured I'd salt it on there and see how it goes. So yeah, dinner should be ready soon, and then I'll show you what the end result is. Some people might care. I know I do. So see you guys then. Dinner is ready. Add some of that hot honey mustard that I added. And then this is beef bacon. It's hot, so let me try it. Not too bad. It's not regular bacon, but it's not too bad at all. So I'm going to continue eating and watch this shitty game. Look at this. Jeez. They need to play a little bit better. Maybe I need to pay attention more and direct them in the right direction. Anyways, let's get back to the game and my food, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning. We're in the border here of Alberta and Saskatchewan. This little pull out. Give you a tour of my load. It's going back up to the air weapons range, so if I don't do it now, I probably can't get you a view later. Just these pipe clamps. So yeah, today's Friday, last day of the week. Probably the last day for the work week too, I guess. So we'll see. I'm gonna have a good day. Truck's running good. When it goes in to get the work done, I'll get a bath, so I don't have to do it, so that's even bonus. So, I don't know if I've ever showed the damage, but nothing too crazy, and then the bumper's all got some scratches on it, so the new fender and new bumper, and then whatever else they gotta do there. So hopefully it's not down too long. Definitely gonna miss my truck, I think, because the way I have it set up is very nice for me. But yeah, we're gonna get going here and see you guys down the road. dropped that trailer and grabbed our Tim Hortons here. I just put it into my other mug, but and then I got a wrap also for lunch, and we're just gonna bobtail home. It's a beautiful day. It's -2. It's probably be in the pluses by the time we get back. So life is good. I tell you, life is good. Should be able to pick up our new company truck, well, a temporary rental there sometime today or maybe the weekend. Hopefully, we'll see. And yeah, we'll get going for next week. I imagine it's going to be another busy one, so it'll be nice to be working. So yeah, I'm just gonna get on going, I guess. I'll see you guys there. Well, we're done for the week. Got our truck over there ready to be swapped over all our stuff. Got the Bronco sitting here warming up. We got our buddy Isaac to give us a ride over. Grab the truck. Thanks, Isaac. So yeah, we're just gonna clean out this truck, some of the stuff that I need, and then go home. And then maybe have some work on Sunday, possibly Monday. So stay tuned, and I'll give a little truck tour of that one when we get in there. When we get it all cleaned up and moved in. Hopefully it's not for too long, but we'll see.